The problem statement in question 2 says, find the areas of rectangles with the following pairs of monomials as their lengths and breadths respectively. So we are given these 5 pairs of monomials, and in each pair, one monomial represents the length and the other monomial represents the breadth of a rectangle, and we have to find the area of the rectangle. And the area is, we know that the area of a rectangle is simply length into breadth. So all we have to do is multiply the two monomials in each case to find the area. So in the first part, the two monomials are P and Q. So the area will be simply the product of these two monomials, P into Q, which we can write in shorter form as PQ. So this is the area in the first part. In the second part, we have the two monomials as 10m into 5n. So the area can be written as 10m into 5n. Now let's multiply the coefficients separately. So 10 into 5 is the product of the coefficients, and then the variable parts, the algebraic factors, are m and n. So we multiply those. So 10 into 5 is 50, and m into n can be written as mn. So we can write the product as 50mn. This is the area expression for the area in the second part. In the third part, we have 20x square and 5y square as the two monomials. So the area will be 20x square into 5y square. The coefficients are 20 and 5. So let's multiply them separately, 20 into 5. And the algebraic factors, the variable parts, are x square and y square. So let's multiply those separately. So 20 into 5 is 100. And x square into y square can be written as x square y square. So we can write the product as 100 times x square y square. This is the expression for the area in the third part. In the fourth part, we have the two monomials as 4x and 3x square. So the area will be 4x into 3x square. The coefficients are 4 and 3. So we multiply them separately, 4 into 3. And the variable factors, the algebraic factors, are x into x square. So x and x square are the two variable factors. Now 4 into 3 is 12, and x into x square can be written as x cube. So the product can be written as 12x cube. So this is the area expression for the fourth part. And finally, in the fifth part, we have the two monomials as 3mn and 4np. So the area will be 3mn into 4np. Now the coefficients are 3 and 4. So let's multiply them separately, 3 into 4. And the variable parts, the algebraic factors, are mn and np. So we multiply them separately. So mn into np. Now 3 into 4 is 12. So this is the coefficient in the product. And mn into np, so there are two repetitions of n. So this will become n square. So we will get mn square p as the variable part or the algebraic factor in the product. So the 5 parts of the answer are PQ for the first pair, 50mn for the second pair, 100x square y square for the third pair, 12x cube for the fourth pair, and 12mn square p for the fifth pair. And this completes question number 2.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.